ba umorder sa Shopee? So, ito lang ang gawin nyo. I-type nyo lang yung gusto nyong bilhin. So, for example, ito yung gusto kong bilhin. And then, so, pagkatapos, click nyo lang. So, you can click buy now. So, you can add also the quantity. Kung gusto nyo yung dalawa, tatlo, bilhin nyo. So, check out nyo. And then, kung mayroon kayong bagong address, you can also add your new address. So, yun nga. Sa delivery option, maraming option na kung gusto nyong bilhin yung product nyo, so you can add the payment method, either cash on delivery sa C-Bank or credit card. At pinili ko yung cash on delivery. So kung okay na, so you can place your order. So yun lang po kung paano umorder sa Shopee. Okay? Bye guys!